Today I want to show you guys a wrist lock. So to start a wrist lock, you do a crochet, wrap around, then once you've fully wrapped twice, you're going to grab this tail and hook it over your hand. Now you're in what's called a wrist lock. So from there, you can kind of twist around and grab the top tissue silk, and you can actually hang. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm hanging in a wrist lock. Well, I'm not hanging right now, but now I am. Woo! So another thing you can do is a double wrist lock. So you'll separate the tissue into two pieces, two silks, and you'll stand in between them and you'll crochet both of your arms at the same time. So you go out and around, back in, out one more time until your hands are facing away from you. And then what you'll do is this kind of weird twist where instead of being able to use your hands to grab the tail and place over, you're gonna try to just twist your arms to get that tail on top of your arms, on top of your hands. So now that this tail is wrapped over your hands, you can grab the silks and hang. And from here you could do various moves. You can do an inversion. This is called a handstand. You can do splits. You can do scorpions. So there's a lot of different things you can do with the double wrist lock. So to get out, you're going to let go of the top and you're going to face your hands downwards to get the tails back over your hands. And now you're in a double crochet. So I don't know if you guys want to see it from this way. What you'll do is stand between it, go around twice, so you want this tail over your hand, over your wrist. So you can use your hands to push him over. Or from here, you can just pull your arms down or swoop your hands through back to the inside and grab it. To get out, you'll just let go, bring your hands in and under. Now you're in a double crochet. Once again, my name is Michelle. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Keep watching because I have more videos coming up. Bye-bye.